Tired of expensive car repair bills for simple issues? Mechanics often rely on your lack of knowledge to charge for easy fixes. But what if you could solve many common car problems for free, right at home? This guide reveals the simple resets that can fix up to 90% of your car's electronic issues, often with no tools required.
13. The Pedal Dance Reset. This reset might sound strange, but it works on thousands of cars worldwide. The pedal dance can reset both the throttle position and certain transmission parameters, giving you a smoother ride. The method requires precise timing. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Wait for 3 seconds. Press and release the accelerator pedal 5 times in under 5 seconds. Wait for 7 more seconds. Press and hold the pedal for 15 seconds. Start the engine and let the car idle for a few minutes. This sequence clears accumulated data about airflow and accelerator response, providing a full reset to the system. It's especially useful for slow acceleration, delayed pedal response, or irregular idling. Many mechanics use this trick but won't tell you about it, instead billing you for a costly electronic adjustment. 12. ABS Light Reset. A lit ABS warning light doesn't always mean your brakes are in danger. Often, it's just a temporary error. The ABS, anti-lock braking system, relies on wheel sensors. If these sensors get dirty or send a confusing signal, the computer might turn on the warning light, even if everything is fine. Here are a few ways to reset the system. The fuse method. Locate your car's fuse box, usually under the dash or in the engine bay. Find the fuse labeled ABS or brake system. Carefully remove it, wait at least 30 seconds, and put it back. This cuts power to the ABS module, forcing it to reset. The key cycle method. Some cars don't even need you to touch the fuse box. Turning the key on and off several times can force the computer to recheck the sensors and clear temporary errors. The steering wheel method. In some GM and Ford models, you can recalibrate the system by turning the steering wheel all the way from one side to the other while the engine is running. If the light comes back on immediately, there might be a real issue. Otherwise, you've just saved yourself a trip to the mechanic.
11. Targeted fuse pull. Many people think the only way to reset a car's electronics is by disconnecting the battery, but a more precise method is to pull the specific fuse for the module you want to reset. This is a favorite trick of mechanics because it's targeted and doesn't erase other settings like your radio presets. Here's how. Find your car's fuse box. Consult your car's manual to find the fuse for the module you need to reset. Example, ECU, PCM, TCM, ABS. With the car off, pull out the fuse. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. Put the fuse back in and start the car. The car will start as if nothing happened, but the specific module will have forgotten the old data that was causing problems. This gives you a clean, specific reset without affecting any of your other settings. 10. The OBD2 scanner. The OBD2, Onboard Diagnostics 2, port is a standard feature in all cars manufactured after 1996. For less than $20, you can buy a small scanner that lets you connect directly to your car's brain, read error codes, and erase them in seconds. To use it, plug the scanner into the OBD2 port, usually located under the steering wheel. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Use the scanner to read the error codes. Select the option to Clear Codes. Turn the car off, then back on, and check if the warning light is gone. This tool is a game changer. It not only clears codes, but also provides real-time data about your car's performance. This kind of access used to be reserved for repair shops, but now you have that power in your own hands.
9. Under the Hood Secrets. Your car's engine bay holds more than just a motor. It also contains hidden features that can help you fix electronic issues. Many modern cars have relays that control power to key systems. Pulling a relay for a few minutes can reset that specific system without touching the battery. Some cars also have hidden service buttons. For example, some vehicles have an inertia switch that cuts off the fuel pump in case of an accident. It can sometimes be triggered by a hard bump, leaving you stranded without affecting other vehicle settings. 8. Transmission reset revisited. If your car's transmission feels jerky or slow, it might just need a reset. Modern automatic transmissions learn your driving style, which can lead to distorted data over time. A quick reset can clear this memory. The most common method, with the key in the on position, engine off, press the accelerator all the way down for 15 to 20 seconds. Turn the key to off and release the pedal. Wait a few minutes before starting the car. This simple procedure can bring back smooth shifts and better response.
7. AC and climate control reset. Is your car's AC acting up, blowing cold air on one side and warm on the other? This isn't always a broken system. It's often just a sensor that needs to be recalibrated. A common reset involves turning the car completely off, turning the key to the on position, engine off, holding two specific buttons on your climate control panel, often the recirculation and rear defroster buttons, simultaneously for a few seconds. You'll hear the system's actuators moving. Once they stop, the reset is complete. This forces the sensors to relearn and adjust the air vents correctly. This trick is especially useful after a battery change, which can sometimes erase climate control settings. 6. Power window reset. Ever try to use the one-touch feature on your power windows only to have it stop halfway? This is a common issue after a power loss, like a dead battery. The Windows module has simply forgotten its full open and full closed positions. To fix it, with the key in the on position, press and hold the window button to lower it all the way. Continue to hold the button for 5 seconds after it's fully down. Then press and hold the button to raise the window all the way up. Continue to hold for 5 seconds after it's fully closed. Repeat for each affected window. This simple process makes the window module relearn its limits. It's a quick fix that a mechanic might try to charge you for as an electrical system adjustment.
5. Master reset combination. This isn't a single trick, but a combination of resets that can revive key systems and change how you approach electronic problems. Airbag light reset. A simple on-off sequence can often clear a false airbag warning light. Idle and throttle sensor reset. If your engine idles roughly, a reset can force the computer to recalibrate its air-fuel mix. Electric power steering reset. If your steering feels stiff, turning the wheel from lock to lock while the engine is off and then starting the car can instantly recalibrate the system, but you can often solve them yourself. 4. Radio and infotainment screen reset. Modern car screens control everything from the radio to navigation, but like any computer, they can freeze or become unresponsive. Instead of a costly repair, a simple reset can often get it working again. Many systems have a hidden reset function. Try holding the power button or a combination of the power and volume buttons for a few seconds. The system will usually reboot without erasing your settings. Another option is to pull the specific fuse for the infotainment system for a few minutes. This simple trick can save you from a huge bill for a new electronic module.
3. ESP or ESC Stability Control Reset. The ESP, Electronic Stability Program, is a critical safety system. If its warning light comes on without a real issue, a reset can fix it. With the car on, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, then all the way to the right. This forces the system to recalibrate its angle and speed sensors. If that doesn't work, a battery disconnect for a few minutes can also reset the control unit and prevent an unnecessary trip to the mechanic. 2. TPMS Tire Pressure Reset. Your car's TPMS, Tire Pressure Monitoring System, warns you if a tire is low, but sometimes the light stays on even after you filled it. Some cars have a SET or TPMS button under the steering wheel or in the glove box. Press and hold it until the light flashes and turns off. In other models, you just need to drive for a few minutes at over 20 miles per hour or 30 kilometers per hour just to turn off a light. 1. The hidden dashboard button. I promised you the most hidden trick of all, and it's been right in front of you the entire time. The small button on your dashboard that resets the odometer. Most drivers don't know it hides a secret service menu used by mechanics for quick diagnostics and resets. Here's how to access it. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Press and hold the odometer button for 10 seconds. Without releasing it, turn the key to the next position. Look at the screen. A hidden menu with internal tests, battery voltage, and error indicators will appear. This trick allows you to check basic problems and even clear temporary codes that would otherwise trigger a check engine light. Mechanics hate that you know this because a client who can access this menu won't pay for a quick diagnosis that takes them seconds to perform.